A lot of people assume digital signage requires a full PC behind every screen. A tower, Windows running, someone to maintain it. That was true 10 years ago, not anymore. There are 4 ways to run high-quality digital signage with zero PC involved, and you're about to find out what they are. Gabriel here. Welcome to Look Digital Signage, where we talk about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. Today, 4 hardware options to run digital signage without PC. As usual, subscribe and hit the bell to stay tuned. Now let's break it down. First, what does a PC actually do in digital setup? It runs the software, pulls content from the cloud or server, and sends the signal to your screen. That's it. That's the full list. Anything that runs an app and connects to the internet does the same job. Usually cheaper and in a much smaller form factor or without any external device at all. And here is option 1, a smart TV. Most TVs made in the last 5 years ship with Android TV, Google TV, Fire OS or other operating systems built in. These run real apps, connect to Wi-Fi, and most of them support LookDS directly from the App Store. No extra hardware, no extra cost. If you have a smart TV sitting somewhere in your office right now, you could have digital signage on it in under 10 minutes. The catch? Consumer smart TVs aren't built for commercial use. Not rated for 24/7. Brightness tops out around 300 to 400 nits. Portrait mode often not supported at the OS level. For an office running 8 to 10 hours a day, fine. But for 24/7 retail or bright storefront environment, think about a different option. Now meet option 2, a streaming device. Amazon Fire TV Stick Onn 4K Pro, Xiaomi Mi Box $15 to $70, plug into any HDMI port, run Android and can be paired with LookDS in minutes. They just work. Plug one into any dumb TV and it's instantly a managed digital sign. For instance, the $15 Onn Full HD Stick plays standard content fine, while the $50 Onn 4K Pro handles 4K split screen layouts and live feeds. Want to know more? Watch our video dedicated to these devices. Overall, consumer streaming devices are not designed for 24/7 operation and do not natively support portrait mode. But for business hours deployments, they are hard to beat on price. Option 3, a dedicated digital signage player. For example, our Look HD 2222, which is built specifically for this job. 24/7 operation, portrait mode, Ethernet port, Wi-Fi 6, passive cooling, 4K output. It ships with LookDS firmware pre-installed, so just plug it in, connect it to a Look dashboard with a 6-digit code, and it's live. No app installs, no side loading, no setup on the device. The software is already on it when it ships. Right move for multi-screen deployments or anywhere uptime actually matters. Store link is in the description below. And finally, option 4, commercial SoC displays. SoC or system on chip means the processor is built into the panel itself. Samsung's Tizen commercial displays and LG's WebOS signage lineup are the most common. LookDS supports both natively, as do professional Android-based displays from Philips and Sony. 24/7 rated 500 nits and up extended warranties, zero extra hardware to manage. Higher upfront cost, but zero ongoing hardware complexity. Now the software part, because hardware without software is just a screen. As mentioned above, any of these 4 options works with Look Digital Signage service out of the box. One dashboard, any browser, anywhere in the world. Setup is the same regardless of device. Install the Look app, get a 6-digit code on screen, enter it in the CMS, and you're live. From there, hundreds of templates, drag and drop editor, scheduling by time and date, live data feeds, split screen, layout, proof of play, reporting. The hardware you choose doesn't change any of that. And if you want to test before committing to any hardware, grab whatever screen you have right now, install the Look app and try the full platform free for 14 days. No credit card, all links are in the description. Takes about 2 minutes. So digital signage without a PC is not just possible, it's the default in 2026. Smart TV, streaming stick, dedicated signage player, SoC display. Pick what fits your budget and use case. All for work and connect to Look DS in under 5 minutes. Links for everything are in the description. Drop a comment with which option you're going with. I read every single one. If this saved you some time, hit a like. And see you in the next videos. Bye.